What causes lightning and thunder? Basically, when there's thunderstorm, when the wind starts blowing at a very high speed, what happens? The air which gets warm up, basically, which starts rising up and becomes positively charged, where the water droplets in the cloud, in the atmosphere, they become negatively charged and they come down. Basically, due to this, the clouds are charged. So the positively charged clouds are at the upper end and the negatively charged clouds are at the lower end. Now they keep on moving as the this thunderstorm, as the wind starts moving faster and faster. This creates a great a huge separation of charges between the positive and the negative. Now, due to this high separation, it creates a very strong electric field around it. Now, we know that air is an insulator. But at a certain point of time, when this separation becomes very high and when this electric field becomes very strong, it breaks the insulation of the air and the air starts conducting this electrical discharge. Now, when the clouds, positively and the negatively charged clouds, they come closer towards each other, there is basically an electrical discharge, which we hear as thunder, because it breaks the insulation of the air and the electrical discharge is being conducted by air. So this breaking of an insulation basically creates that sound, due to which we say as thunder. And then the light that we are seeing, basically the lightning, that is an electrical discharge. When this discharge becomes very high, it starts starts getting discharged, sometimes between the clouds, sometimes between the cloud and the ground. So this is how the lightning is caused.